Today's story is called The Chicken. Um, it's a story. It's a story about how chickens grow and a lot about chickens. What is a life cycle? All animals and humans go through different stages in their life as they grow. This is called a life cycle. So a human life cycle is from baby to a child and then to an adult. What is a chicken? A chicken is a bird. Chickens have 2 legs, 2 wings, a beak, and they are covered in feathers. So this is the beak, this is the legs, this is the wings, and this is the feathers. Eggs. A female chicken called a hen makes a nest on the ground to lay her eggs in. The nest is mostly made of straw. So this is the nest. Hens usually lay 1 egg at a day. A hen lays her eggs inside a nest. Inside each egg is a tiny dot called an embryo that will eventually grow into a chicken. So this is the eggs. Growing eggs. A hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm. This is called brooding. This is an important job that helps the chickens to grow. A group of eggs is called a clutch. Inside the egg, the tiny chicken embryo is growing. It eats the yellow yolk inside the egg for its food. The hard shell of the egg protects the embryo. So this is the yolk, this is the growing little chicken, and this is the eggshell. Hatching chicks. After around 3 weeks of growing, the baby chicken breaks out of its egg. This is called hatching. The baby chicken that comes out is called a chick. This chick is breaking out of its egg. This is a newly hatched chick. The hen keeps her chicks warm under her wings. After another 2 weeks, the chickens will be strong enough to explore outside the nest. Chicks have very fluffy feathers just after they have hatched. Growing chicks. Chicks make a chirping noise so that their mother can find them. Chicks look for their own food. If they are outside, the chicks will look for worms and bugs on the ground. As they grow bigger, the chickens will lose their fluffy feathers and grow bigger, stronger feathers. They will also grow combs on their heads. So this is the big red comb on top of their beaks. And here are their feathers. Chickens' combs are usually red. Chickens. It takes between 6 and 8 months for chickens to grow into adult chickens. After this, the young hens are ready to lay eggs of their own. A hen that is under a year old is called a pellet. Male chickens are called roosters or cockerels. They are usually larger than hens. They also have larger combs and longer tail feathers. So here are the tail feathers. Here's the comb, and this is the bantam rooster. Food, and this is grain. This chicken is eating grain. Grain is like different kinds of rice and corn. Nearly all chickens are domesticated, which means that they do not live in the wild. Instead, they live on farms or are kept as pets. Chickens are fed by the people who own them. If chickens spend their time outside, they will look for food to eat on the ground. They often eat the bugs and seeds they find in the soil. These chickens are looking for food on the ground. Clucking chickens. There are over 65 different types of chickens, and one of the strangest is the sulky. These chickens have fluffy white feathers, black skin, and blue earlobes. So this chicken is a sulky chicken. Chickens make lots of sounds to tell each other different things. Mother hens can tell their chicks when they have found food. This chick looks like my chicks, and this one is pretty weird. World record breakers. The most eggs laid. The most eggs laid in 1 year is 351. They were laid by a type of chicken called a white leghorn. The heaviest chicken egg, it weighs 1 pound. Fun fact, that's about the same weight as a soccer ball. Whoa. Life cycle as a chicken. A hen lays an egg in a nest. A chick hatches from the egg. and then the chick grows into a hen. Get exploring. Ask a parent or guardian whether you can visit a farm close to where you live. What animals can you see? Can you spot any chickens? And that's the end. Do you think you could spot chickens? I think I can't. Bye.